I'm going to be using these. Damn. What playlist music stream are you listening to? It's on YouTube. It's called... all I searched was music live stream. So you can search it that way. It's called... Wait, I can't see it because there's a COVID warning on it. Hold on. It's called COVID-19 Quarantine Music Radio. 24/7 radio live stream. Chill, work, relax. That's the full title. COVID-19 Quarantine Radio. Hope everything works out. The first time I saw a lot of people breaking the Joy-Con. What if the first one works out and then I wreck the second one? Then I gotta buy another Joy-Con. Technically, as long as I don't break the shell, we'd be good. Do they end up busting the shell, or do they end up, like, breaking the components inside? Did you get the Pokemon Switch to replace your original or to have two systems? We got it to have two. So Christian claimed the original one, and the Pikachu Eevee one became mine. The components, the cables are very thin. Yeah. It's very delicate. Does that sharpen the pin ends? No, it's removing these rubber backings. It's a quick and easy way to remove them. These ones really stick. Other ones I've done, they just slide right through. Shoot, I just realized this is in the A pile, but it's got the... It's got all this green here. I'm gonna put that in the B pile. The hardest bit is putting the shoulder buttons back in. Everyone seems to have issues. Okay. I want the spaghetti. Christian said, I'm gonna finish off the spaghetti. What do you do with the B graded pins? Nothing, they get sold too. Just a cheaper price. We've heard this song a lot on this other playlist we used to listen to. Haven't heard this in a while, but damn. What a throwback. Wouldn't mind buying from the Beat Pal. A lot of people do. They're actually quite popular because they're cheaper. A lot of people don't mind slight defects, so. I mean, A grade doesn't mean perfect, it just means they're the nicer ones, but. Yeah, a lot of people like the B grades.